Alright, what is up guys, it's Spriting Hybrid here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to skew in your animation. Now if you don't know what skewing is, basically it's shifting your sprite either left or right to help you either transition in between frames or to start off a walk or run animation. Now today we're going to be doing a walk animation, so I just pre-composed a Sonic walking across the screen. That is a custom green Sonic. Actually, I just recolored in a few seconds in GIMP. I highly recommend using that program for recoloring. It works good. So I'll probably do a tutorial on that too in the future. But in other words, so that's basically all we have. Just Sonic walking across the screen. Now that looks fine, and we could leave it like that. But if we wanted to look a little bit more fluid and more realistic, we would add skewing. So now to start that off, we would go about 4 frames and before the walk starts, so right around here. I'd say, yeah, it's 4 right there. Yep. So once you're in 4 frames before the walk, you're going to click the first keyframe here, and then click the free transform tool, and then click, actually let me unlock him, and then click your Sonic. And make sure this white dot, that's the anchor point, and if you don't know what that is, basically the anchor point is, it works as a thumbtack. So if it's stuck where it is right there under Sonic's head, that means, I don't get why that keeps popping up, but it's stuck under Sonic's head. So basically what that means is that his head, anything above his head is not moving, or anything in that area, that he's stuck in that position. I can move him all I want, as you can see left or right, but that position will stay just as it is. So we don't want that. We want the anchor point under his feet, so that all we want is his feet to stay on the ground. Once we do that, we can start the skewing. So just start by, I'm getting ahead of myself. Start by taking the cursor and putting it on the top line, the top one, and you should see the little left arrow, right arrow. Then you're going to hold the left click and then drag it over to the left a little bit. And you're going to start little by little, and you can have it progress and get even more, bigger strides, and just keep doing it and keep converting keyframes for every new one. And just keep going little by little. And then you can just go a little bit for that one, symbolizing that he's going back. And then, I mean, that is done there. He does move in, but the problem now is that he kind of snaps back into position, and that's not what we want. So what we're going to do is you're going to click the first tweened walk, and we're going to click the free transform tool and bring the anchor points down. Make sure you do it for every keyframe. If it's not under his feet, then he's going to start floating around and stuff. So once you do that, you're going to go back to the first frame, and then I'm just going to skew it enough so that it matches with the last one here, like a little bit. So I'd say right around there looks pretty good. So now when he walks, he kind of leans in forward and keeps walking in that direction. And then what you could do is he slowly kind of comes back into posture towards the end. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm going to drop the FLA for this inside the description so you guys can feel free to look at it. But thanks for watching. Send me in requests. You know, I'm still working. I'm working on projects and everything here and there. But I'm still active. So send me requests, guys. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Let me know in the comments. And have a nice day, everyone.